today we're gonna show you our new Ram 1500. So
Alright.
I'm gonna show you around. So this is the back.
Tailgate?
Okay, this is the back.
Come here. Come on.
So this is the side.
What size are those rims?
Big. It's
20?
20,
20 inches?
20 inches.
Chrome?
Chrome.
All right.
So
Billet special?
and
You got the chrome billet grill?
yeah,
Come on, yeah, say it.
the chrome grill. And also the inside.
You gotta talk louder.
Again, I'm gonna show you the interior,
The inside?
the inside. It looks started on the floor though. But look at that on inside.
Nice.
So this is my truck actually.
All right, let me see the front. What you got in there?
So this is Ram 1500. So these are my cars right there. This belongs to the truck.
Okay.
Those belong to the truck.
All right. And I guess, all right, guys, that's it for today.
Okay, guys, that's it for today. Bye bye.
We'll see you in the next one.
We'll see you in the next one.